Welcome to our YouTube channel. First of all, I would like to tell you that this video is not of any analysis. So, on the basis of the second shift paper, I have brought some expected questions for those who have the paper tomorrow. Those people must watch it. So let's start. So look, the first question is yours. Geographically, the state of Haryana has a vacant space of the total area of India. What will be filled here? Option A has taken 1.4% of the land. Next, which is the first national park of India? So look, this will be option A, Jim Corbett National Park. Next, what was Haryana called in ancient times? So its answer will be option A, it was called Brahmavarta. Next, when was the first India-EU maritime security dialogue held through video conference? So this happened in option B on the 20th of January 2021. What is secondary memory? Talking about secondary memory, option A stores system programs and data files. Next, which month in Haryana state is the coldest month of the year when the temperature reaches freezing point? Its option will be a January. Next is the byte 0 and there is a blank space here. What will be filled here? Option B can represent any number between 255. Next is BCG vaccine is beneficial in which disease? So option A is tuberculosis. Next is who was the leader of Ladwa rebellion in 1845 AD? Its answer will be option B, Ajit Singh. Next is the word isonep similar. There is a blank space here. What will be filled here? Option A is the Goka of cloudy lines. Next matching has to be done through code, so see what will be its answer. Option A 2134 will be matched. 2134 first is medicity. Medicity will become Gurgaon. Then Paper City Yamunanagar, Sugar City Palwal and Apprentice Apparatus City Ambala. Next, what is the coded entries used to get access to the computer system called? So this is called option B, password. Next, where is the first Sonic School of Haryana established? Option B is established in Kunjpura. Next, your question is Nehru Trophy is related to which sport? Option B is related to football. In which state India's first thunderstorm research test bed is being built? So option A is Odisha. Next, here the empty space. What will be filled here? Option A, booting happens when the computer is turned on and the operating system is being loaded. Next, what is the unit of life? The unit of life is option D, cell. Next, if before is written in any symbolic language, then how will jungle be written in the same language? So let's write all the alphabets of before. VEFORE, what are we writing for this? FEV then ERO, so see the starting three alphabets have been cross-multiplied. The middle one remained the same, the last three alphabets are cross-multiplied and the middle one is the same. If we apply the same method in the alphabet of jungle, then JUNGLEN will come in front, U will remain in the middle, J will go behind. After that C, E will come in front, L will remain in the middle and G will go behind. So the alphabets you get will be your answer. Which one are you coming in? Option B is the right answer. Next, where was the first Sardar Prakash Singh Memorial Chess Tournament held? Option B was held in Murthal. Who took Shah Jahan's famous Takht House in 1739 AD? Option B, Persian invader Nadir Shah. Next, the validity of the Central Teacher Eligibility Test, CET, conducted by CBSE was increased from 7 years to how many years? Option B, lifetime. The Apex Council of FIFA, the world's highest football body, decided to jointly award the hosting of the FIFA Women's World Cup 2023 to whom? Option C, Australia and New Zealand. The classification of IC is blank here. Fill it here. Option C is based on the number of transistors. Who was the founder of the Rashtrakuta Empire? Option A. Danti Durg. Next, which buses will the Haryana government run to deal with pollution? Option D. Electric buses were run. Wet clothes are dried in spin dryers by which of the following actions? Option B. Centrifugal force. Which of the following is your given number? To what is it related? Option C. IP address. Who was the first Field Marshal of India? So option A. SHFJ means which is the weakest of all the fundamental forces? Option A. Gravitational force. Next your question is if plus means multiplication. What does plus mean? Multiplication. Let's write it down. What does plus mean? Multiplication. And what does multiplication mean? It means addition and minus means division, and what does plus mean? Subtraction. So an equation is given. We have to solve it. Let's apply the symbols. What does 5 plus plus mean, guys? Multiply. So here we will multiply 5 asterisk 3. Then comes multiply. What does multiply mean? It is plus. So we will plus 2. Then comes division by 10. What does division mean? Division means, guys, your subtraction means minus. So minus is 10. Then, minus is coming. What does minus mean in your question? Division. So, we will divide by 5. According to the Bohm's rule, we will solve the divide, and then we will solve the multiply. 5 3 equals 15 plus 2 minus 10, we will divide 5. If 2 is subtracted from 2, how much will be left? 15. So, option C is the right answer. Next, who established the Ashok Kalan Topra, Yamunanagar district inscription of Haryana in Firoz Shah Kotla in Delhi? Option A. Firoz Shah Tughlaq. The only perennial river flowing in Haryana is option C. Yamuna River. Next is in the east direction. There is a blank space here. Option C. Yamuna will be formed here. The river is the geographical boundary of Haryana state. You have to choose the odd one out of the following. So, which one will be your odd one? Check each option. The first option is DCB, so write their alphabet codes. What is the code of D? It is 4. C is 3. 2 is B, so C. 3 is becoming 4. So you are losing 1. 2 3 is becoming 1. Loss of 1. Let's check option B. What is the code of N? 14 is M's 13. L's is 12. 13. Sorry, 14 makes 13. Loss of 1. 13 makes 12. Loss of 1. Let's check option CP's code is 16. Q's is 17. S's is 19. So 16 makes 17. Increase of 1 and 17 makes 19. Increase of 2. Option D. What is the code of T? 20. S's is 19. R's is 18. 20 makes 19, loss of 1. 19 makes 18, loss of 1. All three options are same, but option C is different, so this will be your odd one. Which of the following has been established as a special economic zone? Option D. Manasar. Which class of animals lay hard-coated clay like eggs? Option D. Both B and C. B is reptilia and C is bird class. Compilers and translators are of the same type. Option B. Ram. Who among the following is a famous tabla player? Option A. Zakir Hussain. Hydrogen. Next is hydrogen. The number of neutrons in the nucleus of hydrogen atom is 0. How is the climate of Haryana? It has a continental climate. Next, choose the wrong number in the given number series. See 17 prime number, 19 prime number, 23 prime number, 29 prime number, 37 prime number. Prime numbers are those which are cut off from themselves and not from anyone else, but 25 is not your prime number. So your answer will be 25. Next is Linux type of software. What type is it? So option A, shareware. Next is yours. Completely interconnected is another name for network topology. So option A, MS. What percentage of the total geographical area of Haryana is covered by forests and tree cover? So option D, 3.59%. The image of the heart is made by reflecting the ultrasound waves in different parts of the heart. This technique is called echocardiography. You must be looking at the question. Choose the relevant option. So first of all, make 32 from 15. Multiply 15 by 2. 15 times 2 equals 30 and add 2 to get 32. The same method will be used for 32. Multiply 32 by 2. 64 and add 2 to get 66. So option A is the right answer. Next, let's see your question. What does it say? Total forest area in the states. Option A 1588 square km. What is the total protected forest area found in the state of Haryana? Option A 1158 square km. Next, the computer will fill in the blank space here. Option B sends and receives data in the form of digital signals. Lang's law arises according to which conservation law? So option C energy. Next, which is the state sport of Haryana? So option D wrestling. What is the subject of education? Option C is in the concurrent list. Ambala department was abolished. Thereafter it was merged in the Delhi department in the year 2015. Different industrial firms produce homogeneous goods under which of the following? So perfect competition. Next you must be looking at the question. What does multiplication mean? Plus. What does multiplication mean? Plus. And what does division mean? Minus. And what does plus mean? Division. And what does minus mean? Multiplication. So an equation has been given. We have to solve it. So let's do it. Let's apply the signs. What does multiplication mean? 5 asterisk 3 plus. So 5 plus 3 is coming then plus. What does plus mean? Division is coming then minus. What does minus mean? Multiplication means 4, then division is coming. Division means minus. If we solve the division according to the Badmas rule, then it will be 5 plus 3 halves asterisk 4 minus 2. If we subtract 2 times 4 from 2, then 5 plus 2 is 6 minus 2 5 6 11 11. How much will be left? 9. Then option D is the right answer. Which of the following acids is not organic in origin? Then option B sulfuric acid. Chaudhry Charan Singh Agricultural University is located in which city? In option D Hisar. Choose the odd one from the given options. So option B students see pen, pencil and sharpener are writing things, but students your thing is different. The main component of natural gas is methane. Since when have all land use changes been started online in Haryana? Option A from the 1st of January 2021. Next, as soon as the user presses it with the style to send the signal, then the empty space here will be filled here. Option D uses trackpad pressure. Where among the following has a metro complex been established? In Panipat. What is the main cause of ozone layer depletion? CFC. Which district comes under Gurugram division? Mahendragarh comes. Matching has to be done through court, then option D is your right answer. 4, 3, 1, 2 is the first. Aquaculture will be its Marityaceae. Then there is floriculture, flowers. Sericulture, silk will be. Viticulture, grapes will be. In January 2021, a meeting was organized between Haryana and which country with the aim of promoting mutual cooperation and prosperity? Malawi. And today's last is, Beti Ka Salam, Rashtra Ke Naam Yojana is related to flag hoisting. So guys, that's all in today's video. Thank you. Blessed.